dry. Do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile.
Well, we're about to go to Leavenworth, Washington and celebrate that little cutie's first birthday. Today is his official last day of being a baby, titled baby. But tomorrow he will be an official 1-year-old toddler. And here comes my husband. Say, we're gonna go have fun, woo! Jordan, you're almost 1. Ah, yay!
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun.
If you guys ever get the chance to go to Leavenworth, the drive is so beautiful. There's so much different terrain. It goes from beautiful mountains to little rivers by the freeway and snow, and then you get into farmland. It's just so beautiful, and it almost looks like not the desert, but it gets drier towards the closer you get to Leavenworth, it gets drier, but it's just such a beautiful drive.
So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
So we just made it to our hotel in Leavenworth, and that ride was tough with these 2 little munchkins. Jordan was fine. It's really Jaylon. He doesn't like to be strapped in for very long. And now that he's potty trained, he likes to say, I have to go potty for everything to get out of any situation he doesn't want to be in. As you can see, he's out. He's right here, causing chaos. Joelle just went in to go check in and I guess get our room key, and then we're gonna head in and maybe use the pool. I don't know, because it's still kind of like winter hours out here. Leavenworth won't be open for very long. Can you stop, please? Like they close early, so we're not going over there today. We're just gonna hang out at the room and maybe go swimming and then put the kids to bed. Take a bath and put the kids to bed. Hey, cutie. Hi, you did so good. Oh, what, are you ready to get out too? Yeah, me too. Whoa. This said enter key to gain full power. You can't even see, it's blurry. This room, you guys, is so nice. Why is my camera blurry? Okay, here we go. Look at this bathroom. It's huge. Of course, it's handicap accessible. But, oh no, it doesn't have a tub. Well, that stinks because we have 2 kids. But, like, Jordan is going to be all over this room. It's really nice.
Just Jordan?
Well, no, Jaylon too. And it has a great view of Leavenworth.
It's a high.
Yeah, it's high. But it's really pretty. Hi, birthday boy. Hi. You love this big room, huh? Yeah. We're on our way to go use the pool. Yay! Super excited. Are you excited? You're gonna go swimming in the pool over there? Yay! We're just waiting for Daddy because he forgot the key. Wherever we stay, it is on Joelle's top priority list to use the pool. So you guys, even though this was an indoor pool, it was still cold. It wasn't as cold as maybe where we live right now, but it was still freezing. Let's just say the boys' little lips were chattering, and they loved it though. And we did go into the jacuzzi after, and that was so much nicer because we do have a jacuzzi at home as well. But we had a lot of fun with the kids. They are my little water babies for sure. Hi, hubby. Jordan. What are you doing? Hey. Back over here, mister. Hi. Hi.
Overcome what I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just
Oh my gosh. You guys, this is by far one of the beautifulest views I've ever had while swimming. It's getting dark now, but if you could have seen it, it's so beautiful. I don't know, maybe Joelle got a few clips, but it's so beautiful with the trees everywhere, and you can see bits of snow on the mountains. It's so just relaxing and gorgeous. So if you ever come to Leavenworth, the Hampton Inn is amazing, and so far we're loving it.
There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see. 'Cause I can
Well, because I have this great huge mirror in this bathroom, I decided to show you guys real quick how I get ready with my more of going out look. Normally I don't wear this much makeup or put this much on. It's mostly just like blush, highlighter, maybe some mascara and lip gloss.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind.
Jordan, happy birthday! It's your birthday! Yeah, we're gonna go to Leavenworth, to the actual town now that we're ready. We're actually gonna go get breakfast downstairs because it is complimentary. But we want to open your present. Yay! Yay! You want to open your present? Okay, let's go. Oh no. Jordan, look. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Here, open this one. What's that? Wow. It's a t-shirt. Hold on, I gotta show it.
It's a shirt.
Wow, it's a dinosaur.
And it says, "Roar, I'm one." Wow, Mommy made that for you, but I did not make the dinosaur part. Yeah. Yay! You're helping. This is. I know. Jay, this is for Giorgio, okay? They both like dinosaurs. Wow! Happy birthday, Jordan!
Say happy birthday, Jojo.
Yeah.
Okay, show Jojo.
Jordan, here's your first dinosaur.
Wow, Jojo. Yeah.
Someday we will look back.
I love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay. Are you smiling? Are you finally smiling? Yay. He's been a stinker butt today. He's feeling the birthday vibes.
Look back at this summer night. The
There's my baby, my first baby, sleeping. The other one is sleeping too. But I was just telling Joelle that this trip meant so much to me, because if you guys have been following me, we weren't on YouTube when this happened, but this trip marks a year from when I had battled COVID at 33 weeks pregnant and almost died. And it just feels really, I just feel really blessed to still be here and be with my kids, and to be seeing Jordan hit one years old. Like, it's so crazy. And it just brings back so many memories and feelings, and I just feel really incredibly blessed. It's a really special time, and I'm really glad I got to do this with my loved ones. But if you guys are interested in seeing that, I will post a link, and I'll also post it at the end of the video. It's me and Joelle talking about our time and basically what we went through. It was very scary, but you guys can watch that if you want. Welcome to Leavenworth. It is such a cute little town. There is quite a bit to do. There's lots of shopping, lots of food, places to look around, or even just sit down and take in the sights. It is absolutely gorgeous out here. You can even ride a horse. Well, not a horse, but a horse carriage. We haven't done that yet, but it's definitely an experience. Hi, 1-year-old. Little handsome dude. The waterfront park is one of our favorite areas to visit. Every time we go to Leavenworth, we have to go walk to the back of the stores and go for a little nature hike. It is absolutely gorgeous. The waters are just beautiful. The mountain views are breathtaking. It's just so nice to like get away. You feel like you almost forget that you're there to like go shopping and stuff. But it's so fun, and Jaylon just gets a kick out of it as well. What? The water! Oh, we got that one.
No pictures.
What?
No.
There's so many endless possibilities to different trails you can take. The views are so beautiful, and I highly recommend at least going on this once. Jaylon decided to throw a fit, and he did not want to walk with us anymore, so I wanted to see how far he was going to get, and he kept going until I told him to stop. At the edge of the park is a really beautiful golf course, a miniature golf course. It's something we have not done, but it's definitely on our list of things to do on one of the times that we go here, because we come to Leavenworth probably 2 to 3 times a year if he lets me. I wanted to eat at Gustav's. They were not open during the pandemic. They are now open, and I really missed their grilled cheese bacon sandwich. If you ever go there, that is delicious. The fries are a la carte. Everything's pretty much a la carte, but we enjoyed it all. The kids didn't really want to eat anything but their stuff. One of the best treats of Leavenworth is the paintings on all of the buildings. They're all so unique and beautiful. The shopping is so much fun. There's so many different stores, like the pretzel store. It's basically like their little bakery, and there's a lot of delicious things in there. We have tried one of their pastries and definitely the giant pretzel as well. We want to show you guys some of our favorite stores. This is one of them, the Kettle store. They have tons of tea flavorings, spices for anything imaginable. We always have to come in here and check out what they have, and you can buy it by the ounce, and it's usually really cheap, like that one was $12. And then the gingerbread store. We always come in here, even if it's just to look and we don't get anything. It's just so adorable. They have little gingerbread cookies everywhere. The little foods and desserts that they have are so great, and they also have like breakfast and things and coffee, so it's not just dessert. But I definitely recommend always stopping here because there's something for everybody here, and who doesn't want a little something sweet at the end of the day? Grandpa! We got Jaylon this cute little gingerbread cookie. He loved it, as of course. And we decided to go with this delicious cheesecake. It was salted caramel, and I believe it had mousse and caramel in the middle. But this was what we decided to share for Jordan's birthday. I believe this was $8.99, and it was worth every bite. So come here, Jay. Come sit right here. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Jordan. Happy birthday to you. Yummy.
We got forks.
Wow.
Right here.
Give it to Jordan. Wow. You like it? You like it? Do you want it?
Is it good, boys? Everybody's loving it. Okay, for all of you Christmas lovers, Kris Kringle store is amazing. Even if you don't buy anything, you have to visit the store every time you come out here. It's just so pretty. There's so much to see. It gives you great ideas. They have an upstairs. Oh my gosh, it's just amazing. Like, I love this store. It is my absolute favorite thing to visit when I go to Leavenworth. I do love Christmas. It is my favorite holiday, but oh my gosh. And then this area is Joel's favorite because he loves the little towns. Oh no. We ended up purchasing this gorgeous photo from a local photographer here in Leavenworth. There was a huge art bazaar, which sounds bizarre to say. Stop, Joel's looking at me. But oh my gosh, it was too pretty to pass up. Well, we are done in Leavenworth. We're tired. We've been here since last night and we had so much fun celebrating Jordan's birthday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you ever come to this area and you're in Washington near Leavenworth, I totally recommend it. I love coming here. Joelle will tell you I'm always like, babe, I'm getting the itch. I want to go to Leavenworth. We had a great time. Jordan was asleep a bit of the time, and Jaylon had fun but was throwing fits throughout the day. You know, toddlers. But we had a really good time, and I just hope that you guys come here one day. If you haven't already, like, it's just so awesome. It's at least once in your life. You feel like you're in another part of the country. It's so cool. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.